Hello students, myself Mr. Devendra from Akal Academy Hapti. Today we will discuss further points of the chapter Soils of India from grade 4 of Social Science. This is the second video of the chapter. In previous video we learned about the importance and the formation of the soil. In this part of the video we will discuss major type of soil in detail. But before understand the major type of soil, let's talk about the soil horizon. Studying the soil vertically is called soil horizon and it is divided into three parts. In the picture, you observe that there are 5 types of layers down in the soil. We classified this into 3 particular horizons. In the horizon A, it is the topmost zone. In this minerals, nutrients, organic matter is present. In the horizon B, it is the transitions between horizon A and C. And the last one, horizon C, it consists of loose material and it forms the first layer of the soil formation. Let's move to alluvial soil. These are soil formed by depositional work of rivers. Examples: Ganga plain is formed by depositions of alluvium brought by river. They are rich in potassium and humus but lack phosphorus and nitrogen. The color of soil varies from light grey to ash grey. They are the most fertile soil and they can be used for growth of crops like wheat, rice, etc. They are found in the area like Indo-Gangetic plain covering states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Deltic region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Let's talk about the desert soil. Desert soil. This soil is found in the area of high temperature and low rainfall. It is because of this condition the salt gets deposited on the top layer of the soil. The soil lacks nitrogen and humus as it lacks vegetation cover and thus it is not suitable for agriculture. The color of the soil varies from red to light brown. In this type of soil, conchars are also present, means bubbles. This soil is found in states like Rajasthan, part of southwest Punjab. Let's talk about the black soil. Black soil, or we can say Ragar soil. They are formed by solidifications of the lava in Deccan Plateau and therefore rich in mineral. They are clay in nature. They have capacity of storing moisture for a long time. During rainy season, it becomes sticky and it becomes difficult to pluck. During summer season, moisture get evaporate and deep cracks appear on the soil. They contain iron, aluminium, potash, but lack nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. They are suitable for growth of cotton. They are found in the states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Now dear students, move forward in laterite soil. These soils are formed by the process of leaching. Leaching is the process by which soil is being removed due to high temperature and high rainfall. Due to high rainfall, lime and silica are removed from soil and it is left with iron oxide and potash. The soil lacks of organic matter, nitrogen and calcium. The soil becomes hard like brick when dries up and thus is not suitable for agriculture. It is found in the state like coastal area of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Assam. Now let's move to fifth major type of soil, and the name of this fifth type of soil is red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil, they are formed due to the weathering of metamorphic rocks. They are red in color due to high content in them. These soils are rich in potash, iron, but lack lime, phosphate, nitrogen, etc. With the application of fertilizer, they are suitable for growth of rice and wheat. They are found in the state like part of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and etc. Let's move to last one. Yes, this is the forest soil. This soil found in area with sufficient rainfall and thick forest growth. They are loamy on valley side, have quality of humus. In snowbound area, soil is acidic and have low humus. They are found in the states like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. So, dear student, I think you are now